Congratulations, you signed up for this 30-day yoga challenge. You're the type of person who takes your health and your wellness serious. I put together this course that's going to help take your 30 days to a whole nother level. So before you even get to the 30-day challenge, I want you to learn some fundamental things. First, whenever we get to our yoga practice, the focus is always on the breath. And we're going to breathe in through the nose and out of the nose to help our mind relax, calm down, and focus. Second, we're going to use the whole body. I'm talking about the whole body. Yep. We're going to stretch all the way from our toes to the top of our head and our fingertips. And when we do that, we want to be mindful of our body. So if you make a move and it's a little painful, if you make a move and it feels like your breath is short and your body's going to ask you to stop, go ahead and stop. It's about safety first. We're going to make it through this 30 days and you're going to be better, not more injured. So whenever you feel like your body's saying stop, stop. Relax, release. This is yoga. Take it easy. And the third is about being in a state of mindfulness. I want you to think about it right now. Is your heart going? Is your breath going? Is your blood flowing? These are all things that happen automatically. But when we are in our yoga practice, I want you to think about where you place your hands, where you place your shoulders, where you place your feet, and then let it go. That's all a part of being mindful and in the present moment. And we do that by combining that breath with the movement, with the focus to help change and transform your day. It's going to take this 30-day challenge to help you step into the renewal. But even more, we have this course for you that's going to take your life and renew it. So go ahead and click the link below to learn how you can get your yoga and meditation beginner's course right now. Today, it's for you. It's going to have tons of tips and tools to get your yoga and your meditation practice started. And when you combine that with the 30-day challenge, you will have a life transformed to help you go from yelling to yoga. All right, let's get yourself some renewal. Go ahead and click the link below to find out how you can get this amazing course, the beginning yoga and meditation course for you. All right, let's go. It's James Woods, aka That Yoga Dude. Feel free to feel free. And we are going to exhibit some power today. We get into our strength and endurance yoga. This is the yoga that really hooked me when I first started doing it because it was so physical. It was so demanding on the body that it forced my mind to be there. It was uncomfortable, it was challenging, and it made me be present to deal with it and get through it. And I loved it. I love the sweat. I'm an athlete. Always will be, always have been, and to be able to express emotions and feelings through my body in this way using this practice was something that really changed me, turned me on to yoga, and it's kept me practicing on a daily basis. So let's get into our strength and endurance yoga. All right, so this breath I'm going to focus on is called the Ujjayi breath. Breath of the Ujjayi breath, the ocean breath, the dark beta breath. It's going to sound like this. Breathing in and breathing out. No, mouth closed, in and out of the nose. What we're doing is constricting the throat. What does that mean? You ever fall over there and go like, make that noise? We're doing that. And what that does is build heat up in the body. And when we're building heat, we're building strength, we're building endurance, and we're having a ball doing it. So throughout our practice, we're going to be breathing like this. You'll get used to it. We'll practice. I know we're beginners in this thing together. I'll walk you through it. Just stay focused on your breathing however you can and moving with me. All right, let's start into what they call the sun salutations. Sun salutations are great in the morning. Wake up and give yourself energy throughout the day. So let's start with a mountain pose. Knees slightly bent, hips forward, shoulders rolled back and down, chest is up. You look amazing. I'm going to inhale, bring both hands up, reach in, stretch up. Good. Hold my arms not cut out too much. Good. Reach up, stretch up. And then as I exhale, I'm going to swan dive, as I like to say, pushing the hips back. Oh, I can feel the stretch in the legs there. And I'm using the strength of my lower back to slowly come down. My knees are deep, so I'm not locking them out, cutting off circulation. Coming down nice and slow, 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 slow. Strength and endurance don't always mean fast and hard. Sometimes it can be the slowest, most intense postures there. Then we're going to inhale, come up halfway. I'm going to bring my hands to my shins, right below the kneecaps. And once again, I use the strength of my back to pull my head out of my turtle shell. My hips pushed back away from my head, 2 different directions. I feel the stretch in the legs. I feel the stretch in my back. I'm breathing into my belly. Inhale. Good. Exhale, we fold forward. To get that forward fold, I'm going to take my hands. I'm going to step my right foot back. Good. Step my right foot back. Scoop the left foot forward. I'm going to take this left knee, and you got an option here. You can drop it down onto the ground, or you can keep that left leg up. And we're going to come into our high lunge. I'm talking power here. I'm talking strength here. My hips and my knees are aligned. My right leg is straight and strong. Find that balance. Get a little bit wider. Whoa, you need to make those adjustments. We build in our strength and our endurance. Sometimes, as we build it, we fall. Strong here, 5, 4, arms up, shoulders relaxed, 3, this left leg is burning, 2, 1, drop the hands down, frame that front left foot. I'm going to slide my left foot back to meet my right, topical push-up position. If you're not doing a push-up today, go ahead and drop those knees, and you're still doing a push-up today. Inhale, breathe in wherever you are, exhale, slowly lower it down. Ooh, now you see how my elbows are tucked in? Elbows are squeezing my ribs, coming down to the ground. Good. Chaturanga, excuse me. Good. And then we're going to lift up. Into our little cobra here. Peel the chest up and drop the shoulders back. Breathe in. Exhale, drop it down. I'm going to tuck the toes. You can push back. Push up into a downward facing dog. Power and strength here. And endurance, you start to breathe and move and flow, and it feels good. And this time, we're going to take that right foot and walk it up, step it up, scoot it up, whatever you need to. Keep that left knee on the ground and bring it up. Same power pose here on the other side. My right knee is facing forward. My hip on my left side is pulling forward. Everything's coming forward, shoulders in line. With the hips, good. The back of my left leg pulling up. Stretch into this posture here. Oh, I can feel it. Do you feel it? Let's bring both hands up. Because we still strong. Breathing in, breathing out. Good. You strong either way. Hands down. Whenever you started this, you're strong. Breathe in. Good. Exhale, bring both hands down. This time, step this left foot up. Walk it up. Scoot it down. Breathe in. Hands on those shins. Once again, coming up halfway, flat back. Oh, this feels good. Exhale, forward fold. A little bit more, you can pull it in. Oh. Inhale, rolling up nice and slow. Relax the shoulders. I'm going to come all the way up, hands to the sky. Exhale, hands to the heart. That was one flow, one sequence, all put together to build strength and endurance. The most important part of that is every move we do, every posture we engage in, we also use the breath. Let's do those 3 more times, all right? We're going to do 3 more times. 3 more times? Yeah, we're going to do 3 more times. Here we go. Starting off down off pose. Feet firm to the ground. Let's inhale, bring both hands up. Slide back in here because it feels good. Exhale, go forward fold. Inhale, come up halfway, flat back. As I exhale, bend the knees, hug the hands on the ground. Step that right foot back, left foot comes forward. Good. Inhale into a lunge. Yep. We're flowing now. Exhale, drop those hands down. Frame that front left foot. Top of a push-up or on your knees. Chaturanga. Elbows down. Slowly lower to the ground. What's under there? Inhale, slowly coming up to a cobra. If you're ready, you can push the arms up. Out. Excuse me, straight the arms. Feel that stretch there. Relax the shoulders. Exhale, coming down. Push up and back into your down face dog. Using all these muscles, building the strength, and using it with the breath to build the endurance. Good. Right foot forward. Inhale, come up, on or off the knee. This is what it looks like. If you need to use the block, you can also use that. Good. Ooh. Breathe in. Exhale, come you down. Step that left foot up. Exhale, drop you down. Good. Inhale, roll up. Stick with me, you're doing good. Exhale. This side, sounds going to be a little bit more adjusted. If you want to continue how we just did, please go ahead. Breathe in. Good. Exhale. Swan dive. We flowing and we moving. You're doing great. Inhale, come up halfway, flat back. Oh, that feels good. Exhale, bend the knees, left foot forward. I'm going to drop my right knee. Yeah. Drop the hips in. Inhale, come up. Exhale. Slide area up for you guys. Lower down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, we go down. Pushing up and back into that downward facing dog. Good. Bring that right foot forward. Scoot up and up. Inhale, come up. Starting to feel that flow. Drop it down. Ball hands. Take that left foot, walk it up, scoot it up, reach it. Forward fold. Inhale, roll up. The body starting to feel loose. The gypsies are going. Inhale. Exhale, bring the hands to the heart. Last one. Let's inhale. Back bend here. Ooh. And then fall into it. Exhale. The more endurance you have, the longer you can take these yoga sessions. Breathe in, come halfway. Exhale, I want to step back with the right. Good. I'm going to hold the knee off the ground just for a second. Good. And then drop it down. Or you can keep that knee off the ground. It's up to you. And then back, stretch back. Exhale. Feel that flow. Both hands down around that left foot. Slide the left foot back and keep the knees on the ground. Pop up into a push-up. Don't be lowering down. Then we're inhale, scooping up into our cobra. Exhale, lower down. Pushing up and back into the downward facing dog. Ooh, find your dog on your toes, on your heels, whatever. Bring that right foot. You can drop the knees down first and swing, walk, scoot that right foot up. Inhale, stay with me, or do your own, whatever. Exhale, as long as you're feeling that strength and endurance, come on down. Good. Take this left foot step up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, roll up. Bring both hands up in the sky. Exhale. Look, we used about every muscle you have in your body to do that. You did it. You made it look easy with all that strength you got. I'm proud of you. And we made it through the whole thing. If not this time, next time we will. I appreciate you joining me on this day. I think this is day 4 or 5, right? That one, I got lost in the yolk on that one. Y'all tell me, drop in the comments when they visit. Appreciate you so much, and as always, feel free to feel free. And namaste. Peace.